Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have another TOTM, and I believe this one's a little bit newer, unlike the other one I had, which was, a little bit expired, a little bit, suspect, but this one should be good. So let's have a close look at it and then we'll try it out. Let's have a close look at it. And as you can see, it comes in this thick plastic bag and it's see-through. We have the usual peelable seal. This is a TOTM, also known as a TOTM, and it stands for Tailored Operational Training Meal, and that's just what it is. It's a training MRE ration, and this one is by Sopaco. Of course, this is government property, and it also says flameless ration heaters are prohibited on commercial airlines unless sealed in original TOTM menu bag. Good to know. There's nothing on the back. But we do get a sneak peek of the menu, and this is a beef taco filling. This is one of my favorite MRE menus. It's pretty good. It's decent compared to a regular standard MRE. It's a little bit lighter. It's a little bit more compact, a little more portable. And that's pretty much it. Let's open it up. All right, let's crack it open. We'll do it the old school way. And we're in. Just pull some things out, and we have some regular MRE crackers, nicely vacuum sealed. We have a flameless ration heater, or FRH, standard issue, nothing special about it. We have an accessory packet. Let's open it up. We have an MRE spoon, a Fresh Snap moist towelette, a deep rich instant coffee, very nice. We have 2 packets of sugar, get some extra sugar. And what I like about these TOTMs, they have pepper, which is very nice. Coffee Mate original creamer, and a Canadian style napkin, not as big or rugged, but very similar. It's pretty cool. And this is a beverage-based powder orange, natural and artificial flavor with natural flavor. And it contains no fruit juice, thank God. All right, we have some Patriotic Cookies, and these are like shortbread cookies. They're pretty good. We have some ground red pepper. That's excellent. Can't go wrong with that. We have some raisins, and I'm a big fan of raisins, but MRE raisins aren't that great. Usually they are a little bit weird, a little bit funky. And we have a date code, which this MRE was produced in the 158th day of 2016. So it's, it's pretty fresh if you ask me. And here's the beef taco filling. It's a pretty nice sized entree. So we'll heat that up. And the sleeve to go along with it. We have the nutritional stuff. If you guys want to read that, go ahead and pause it. And some of the ingredients are water, cooked beef, beef salt, textured vegetable protein, and that's it. And there you have the entire contents, and as you can already tell, it's a very light meal, I would say. Not much is going on. We have just the main entree, a couple of snacks, crackers, and a couple of drinks, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, let's get that main entree heated. So let's begin. All right, let's heat up our main entree. We have the flameless ration heater, and that should take care of it. So let's do that. Rock it a little bit. And it's activated. Let's stick it on the sleeve. That is really hot. Check that out. Breathing in some of those fumes. Yeah, don't breathe in those fumes. Could be toxic. Could be, who knows. All right, and all we need is a rock or something. Got this from Renee. Thanks a lot, Renee. Looks really nice. And you just lean it up against that, and we'll give that 15 minutes, and then we'll get back to it. All right, let's prepare some drinks. We have our foreignmre.com coffee mug or tea mug, whatever you want to use it for. Maybe soda. and we're gonna need some hot water for the coffee. All right, let's keep going. Let's get our beverage-based powder orange drink in our cup. It smells nice and artificial. It is a little bit crystallized, but I don't see any mold, so should be good. And our water is ready. And we'll throw in the sugar. Or creamer. And let's give them a quick stir. And we'll wait on the coffee. It's a little bit hot. Let's try the orange drink. Check that out. Nice and orange. Here we go. That is very artificial. It's got that weird vitamin C flavor to it. Yeah, it is very refreshing. I do enjoy it. I do love it. You know, let's be blunt. It's just a weird orange artificial drink. That's all it is. All right, let's break out the old tray. It's a little bit dusty. All right, we have some crackers. Let's open them up. See if we hear a hiss. Very small hiss. And they're just a little bit crumbly. That's all right. There we have the cracker, just your standard US MRE cracker. Break off a piece. Well, let's try it out. Yes, just your typical MRE cracker, very bland, very dry, but you know, I still like them. Let's check out these raisins. Have the tear notch all the way in the middle, which is kind of odd. Smell a little bit off, a little bit weird. I'm not sure why the military keeps, you know, serving these raisins. They're just weird. Let's give them a try. And as you can see, they're very shiny, and I don't know if they're greasy or not sure what that is. All right, here we go. All right, so those raisins are a little bit stale, a little bit, I don't know, I guess past their prime, but they still taste like raisins. They're still, you know, sweet and enjoyable. So I would say they're, you know, meh. Let's check out the cookies. Patriotic Cookies with that weird tear notch all the way in the middle. Let's get rid of that. All right, let's see what we got. All right, here are the cookies. We have, you know, some US flags. We have Uncle Sam, Lady Liberty. All right, so which one should we try? Let's, I guess we'll try Lady Liberty. There she is. Here we go. It's pretty good. Yeah, those are pretty good cookies. They're very sweet, very creamy, a little bit buttery, and yeah, they're excellent. Let's wash it down. Let's try the coffee. All right, here we go. That is a really good cup of coffee, good taste. It's a little bit on the sweeter side because we added 2 packets of sugar, but it is still pretty good. No complaints. Let's get our beef taco. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, it's nice and warm. Let's get it out. And of course, as part of the training, you have to struggle with the pouches. There we go. Oh yeah, check that out. And here we have our beef taco filling. Let's try it out. Looks nice and beefy. All right, here we go. Yeah, that's got a nice kick to it. It's a little bit spicy. It's pretty much chili, you know, like chili beans, except without the beans. Let's try with the cracker. All right, here we go. It is really good with the cracker. It gives it a really nice balance. You could add some of this, some of the ground red pepper, but I don't really think it needs it. It's spicy as it is. It's not that I'm being a chicken or anything, but sometimes you just want to enjoy the food without, you know, burning your mouth. But yeah, it's pretty good. Nothing wrong with it. All right. Perfect. Wash it down. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This was the beef taco filling or chili filling. That's pretty much what it is. It's no difference, same flavors, same texture. And yeah, this is one of my favorite menus. So on a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give it an 8 out of 10. It's just a really good, foolproof menu. Never disappoints, never lets me down. So gotta give it an 8 at least. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. I'm sure you've heard that YouTube's been a little bit screwy, a little bit, you know, biased. Yeah, just hit the little bell button, make sure it's activated, and you should be notified immediately. So, and also have a Patreon if you guys want to, you know, donate just $1 a month. Helps out a lot. Link is down below. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.